Hello and the task is to determine the unique number when two of the three inputs are equal. For example, in 1, 2, and 2, the unique number is 1. In 1, 2, and 3, all three numbers are different, so the function returns a message. This ES5 implementation uses conditional statements to handle different cases. If all three numbers are different, the function returns a message. If two numbers are equal, the third number is returned. The function ensures all cases are covered. Here's how the function works step by step. It checks if all three numbers are different and returns a message if true. If two numbers are equal, the unique number is returned based on the conditions. Let's analyze these examples. In 1, 2, and 2, the unique number is 1, as the other two numbers are equal. In 1, 1, 2, the unique number is 2, as the first two numbers are equal. The ES6 version uses arrow functions for a cleaner and more concise code. The logic is identical to the ES5 version, ensuring the same results. In summary, this program demonstrates how to use conditional logic to solve problems involving comparisons. It ensures all cases are covered and returns the expected result for any input combination. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.